Alright guys, so let me quickly show you how you can transfer your Worldcoins from the new Worldcoin app to your exchange wallet. So click on the wallet, click on the black card. You'll be able to see these two options. You're going to click on sell. So once you click on sell, you'll get three options: digital dollars, crypto exchange, and crypto wallet. So if you want to send it to a place like Binance, you'll have to use the crypto exchange. But if you want to send like to a place like Trust Wallet, you'll use the crypto wallet. But now we want to use the exchange. I'm going to use Binance. The ones that you see that are highlighted darkly, they're the ones that are active. So in this video, I'll be using Binance. So once you've already copied your address from Binance, you'll come over here and then you'll paste the address that you've copied. I have a whole video on how to copy your address from Binance. And once you've done that, you will click on continue, which will bring this prompt over here. So you have to confirm that you are using the Optimism network. And once you've done that, it will bring you to this page over here. So the next thing that you want to do is to key in the amount of Worldcoins that you want to transfer to your exchange, or maybe to your wallet, external wallet. So yeah, right now, remember guys, we're using like Binance exchange platform. This is not like the external, maybe Web3 wallet. Those are two different things. Yeah, exchange and wallet, those are two different things. So once you've keyed in the amount, it will bring you to this page over here where you'll have to click on I understand, and then you will have to hold to withdraw. So once you've done that, you'll be able to, once you hold this to withdraw, once you've completed holding and it has actually run to the end, you will have completed your transaction and you'll be able to wait for the funds in your exchange wallet. So that is how you do it. I hope that this video helped.